And here's a full window AC unit. I'm tearing this thing apart, every last bit of it, for all the aluminum and copper it's willing to give me. Look at that, that's an asthmatic's worst nightmare. So much dust in there, it's acting like a security guard guarding the copper. Look at this coil, or radiator I should say. Nasty. One copper aluminum radiator. Let me know if you want a video on how you can strip the copper out of the radiator. Might be an idea. Let me know, bleep bloop that in the comments. Not only that, the algorithm really likes it when you guys chat. So please do. I need it. Now I'm going to cut some of this wire, cut these off. Maybe I'll strip it later. You know it's not going to happen. I don't think it's worth it. Where'd my socket go? There it is. One sealed unit. A lot of scrapyards will buy those as sealed units. My scrapyard only will take them as shreds, so for me it's worthwhile tearing them apart. Oh. We got some screws. After I'm done this, I'm going to need a chemical bath. Imagine the bacteria in this thing. Screw here, no. Come back to that later. What is holding on to this thing? Oh, there's more screws. Or we can just rip it out, not bother unscrewing. More garbage. Man, look at that. These things are a goldy color. Let's just make sure they're not brass. Oh no, just look at that. The magnet sticks right to them. So this, people, unless you can make a project out of it, that's shred. Blech. I need to clean this up. Sorry. That was just way too disgusting. I couldn't work in that. You understand. And believe it or not, I am a germaphobe, so this is really, really gross to me. But anyways, a second copper aluminum rod. Next, we're going to remove this fan. There was a couple screws there. I've already taken them out. But we got this squirrel cage. Yeah, squirrel cage. I don't see no squirrels. Well, I hope we don't have any squirrels. Anyways, on the inside, you got the shaft. What I'm going to do, there's a spring clip right here. Just going to take the pliers and remove that. Sorry that I'm not showing you, but I need to see. Anyways, it just comes off like that. It's just a clamp. And then we're going to have to beat on that, I think. She's coming. I don't know if you have any purpose for this, but my garbage can loves them. Oh, one more screw. Here you go. You can sell that as motors. You can also take them apart, take the copper out. I personally don't think it's worth it. Oops, there's some wire. This is a capacitor. They have no value. So all I do is I cut the wires off, throw them in the shred. This one isn't even a good one. It's a plastic one, so I have to throw it in the trash. This thing is just shred. Here's the switches. Pull these off. If you're a micro scrapper, you can scrap them. I'm going to keep them maybe for a future video. I don't know. I'm not a micro scrapper. Okay, so there's this. Wonder what that's made out of. Anybody know? Come on, tell me. Doesn't stick to the magnet. Ooh, that's worthwhile taking this rubber off. That's a piece of copper. Yes, sir-ree. Cut that off. That can go in your number 2. Another switch. Cut the plug-in off. Pull the prongs out. Because then you got some copper, some brass. Oh, this air conditioner is giving me the heaves. Oh. The ground didn't pull off worth anything, but there's a nice little piece of brass. My yard cares about this piece of rubber, so I'm just going to cut it off. The rest of that can go into the shred. So now we got another wire. Just cutting off the ends, because the ends are brass. Then the ones with this plastic, you can take the time of taking them off or sell them as dirty brass. This is what I do. Nay, nay, nay. I guess some scrap yards might consider that too dirty of brass, but if you guys are still here and you're still watching me, why don't you subscribe? You obviously like watching me. I don't understand it. But these little ends, you know, that I've been cutting off, you should actually do it as you go, because if you end up with 1,400 pounds of that, it's not a lot of fun to be snipping. Next, we're going to be cutting the copper off of here. Why? Because I like it. I like it a lot. Got the PPE on. I've got my invisible face mask on, so don't be blooping in the comments about how dangerous this is. I've already got my PPE on. This is copper as well. That's copper. So here's some copper for you. In here, there's going to be some sand and stuff. You can cut them off. I just throw them in my number 2, and they've never said anything to me yet. All I did is clamp this aluminum copper rod to my workbench. And yeah, I do have a vise, but give a guy a break. I've only been here a year. It's not set up yet. The Diablo metal blade, just give her a snip. As soon as I put a battery in it. Tech tip of the day: cordless tools work better with a battery in them. This isn't working. Hey. But that did. One clean copper aluminum, well, somewhat clean copper aluminum rod, but in the scrapyard's eyes, that's clean. Anyways, I had a thought. Everybody enjoyed last week's video. If you haven't seen it, the link's right there. I'll also put it on the end card, because YouTube says that's important. Gotta do what YouTube says. I had an idea. Would any of you guys like to see several methods on how to remove the copper from the aluminum rod? You know, like last week's video where we tried to take the resin and fiberglass off the transformer coils. That kind of video. Just showing you all the different ways, and then you could try different things. Bloop down in the comments, let me know. Well, that brings us to the most important part, and that's what we got. So here we got a little bit of tin shred, maybe 10 pounds. We got a few ounces of insulated copper wire. You know, not the greatest. We have a electric motor, 6 pounds. We've got a couple switches for a future micro scrapping video. And we've got these extremely clean aluminum copper rods. And they're 20 pounds. little bit of brass and dirty brass. Won't even measure up on the scale. I have all this beautiful number 2 copper at 2.5 pounds. And the best part is this sealed unit. And that's what next week's video is. Tearing apart the sealed unit, how to get the copper out. Here is your money. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, like, share, subscribe. Throw a hype in there. I guess that's a new thing, hype. And that was some nice junk.